Welcome back to Total Vigor, your go-to channel for all things health and wellness. In today's fast-paced world, where success often hinges on split-second decisions and unwavering focus, maximizing mental game performance is key. Whether you're an athlete striving for peak physical performance, a student aiming for academic excellence, or a professional looking to excel in your career, having a sharp mind can make all the difference. Peak brain performance is crucial in various aspects of life, from enhancing cognitive abilities and memory retention to boosting creativity and problem-solving skills. It's not just about being smart, it's about harnessing your mental capabilities to their fullest potential. By implementing pro tips for mental game improvement, viewers can unlock a whole new level of productivity, efficiency, and success in their endeavors. Imagine being able to stay calm under pressure, maintain laser-sharp focus, and make sound decisions even in the most challenging situations. These are just some of the benefits that come with honing your mental game skills. Throughout this video, we'll be sharing expert strategies and techniques that can help you elevate your mental game to new heights. Get ready to discover the secrets behind peak brain performance and unleash your full potential. Stay tuned to find out how you can take your mental game to the next level. Understanding peak brain performance. Peak brain performance refers to the optimal functioning of the brain, where cognitive abilities such as memory, focus, creativity, and problem-solving skills are operating at their highest capacity. It's like having a well-oiled machine that can process information quickly, make decisions efficiently, and adapt to changing circumstances seamlessly. Having peak brain performance is crucial for overall success in various aspects of life because it directly impacts how well we can learn, perform tasks, and achieve our goals. When our mental game is strong, we are better equipped to handle challenges, overcome obstacles, and stay motivated in pursuit of our objectives. Take, for example, elite athletes who rely on peak brain performance to outperform their competitors. By staying mentally sharp, focused, and resilient, they are able to push their physical limits and achieve remarkable feats in their respective sports. Similarly, successful entrepreneurs, artists, and professionals attribute their accomplishments to their ability to optimize brain performance and make strategic decisions that drive their success. By understanding and harnessing the power of peak brain performance, individuals can unlock their full potential and reach new heights in their personal and professional endeavors. Stay tuned as we delve deeper into the connection between mental game strength and achieving your goals. Key components of mental game optimization. When it comes to maximizing mental game performance, there are several key components that play a crucial role in achieving peak brain performance. These components include focus, resilience, and decision-making skills, which are essential for sharpening your mental acuity and staying ahead of the game. Focus is the ability to concentrate on the task at hand without being distracted by external factors. By honing your focus, you can improve your productivity, efficiency, and overall performance in various activities. Practical tips for enhancing focus include practicing mindfulness, setting specific goals, and eliminating distractions to maintain laser-sharp concentration. Resilience is the capacity to bounce back from setbacks, challenges, and failures with a positive mindset. Building resilience can help you stay motivated, overcome obstacles, and persevere in the face of adversity. Strategies for enhancing resilience include developing a growth mindset, seeking support from others, and learning from past experiences to grow stronger. Decision-making skills involve the ability to make sound judgments and choices based on critical thinking and analysis. By improving your decision-making skills, you can make better choices, solve problems more effectively, and achieve your goals with confidence. Real-life scenarios where these components have made a significant difference will be shared to illustrate the impact of mental game optimization on success. Stay tuned for practical tips on enhancing these key components for peak brain performance. Implementing pro tips for peak brain performance. Ready to take your mental game to the next level? Here are some actionable strategies and techniques to help you improve your mental game performance and unlock your full potential. To enhance cognitive functions, try incorporating brain-boosting exercises such as puzzles, memory games, and meditation into your daily routine. These activities can help sharpen your focus, improve your memory retention, and enhance your problem-solving skills. Additionally, engaging in physical exercise, getting enough sleep, and maintaining a healthy diet can also support optimal brain function. During challenging situations, it's essential to maintain mental clarity and focus. Practice deep breathing exercises, visualization techniques, and positive affirmations to stay calm under pressure and make clear-headed decisions. Setting realistic goals, prioritizing tasks, and taking regular breaks can also help you stay focused and productive when faced with obstacles. Creating a personalized mental game improvement plan is key to long-term success. Identify your strengths and weaknesses, set specific goals for improvement, and track your progress over time. By staying committed to your plan and adjusting it as needed, you can continue to enhance your mental game performance and achieve your desired outcomes. Get ready to implement these pro tips and elevate your mental game to new heights. Measuring progress and tracking results. Monitoring progress and evaluating the effectiveness of mental game strategies are essential steps in enhancing your mental performance. By setting benchmarks and goals, you can measure your improvement over time and stay motivated to continue honing your mental game skills. Setting specific benchmarks and goals for mental performance enhancement provides a clear roadmap for your development. Whether it's improving focus, resilience, decision-making skills, or overall cognitive abilities, having measurable objectives allows you to track your progress and celebrate your achievements along the way. To track improvements in cognitive abilities, consider using tools such as brain training apps, cognitive assessment tests, or journaling your experiences and observations. These methods can help you identify areas of strength and areas for improvement, allowing you to tailor your mental game strategies accordingly. Success stories of individuals who have seen tangible results from consistent practice serve as inspiration and motivation for others on their mental performance journey. By hearing how others have transformed their mental game through dedication and perseverance, viewers can gain valuable insights and encouragement to continue their own growth and development. Stay tuned as we delve deeper into the importance of measuring progress and tracking results in optimizing your mental game performance. Incorporating mental game techniques in daily routine. Integrating mental game techniques into your daily routine can have a profound impact on your overall well-being and performance. By seamlessly weaving these strategies into your everyday life, you can enhance your mental sharpness, focus, and resilience in various aspects of life. One effective way to incorporate mental game techniques is by practicing mindfulness throughout your day. Take moments to pause, breathe deeply, and center your thoughts to cultivate a sense of awareness and presence. Mindfulness practices can help reduce stress, improve concentration, and boost cognitive function, making it easier to navigate challenges with clarity and composure. To maintain mental sharpness throughout the day, consider implementing strategies such as setting intentions for the day, taking short mental breaks, and staying hydrated and nourished. Engaging in brain-boosting activities like reading, problem-solving puzzles, or engaging in creative pursuits can also help keep your mind agile and alert. By making mental game enhancement a habitual part of your lifestyle, you can create a solid foundation for success and well-being. Encourage viewers to prioritize their mental health and performance by incorporating these techniques into their daily routines consistently. Stay tuned for more tips on seamlessly integrating mental game techniques into your everyday life. As we wrap up our discussion on maximizing mental game performance, it's crucial to reflect on the key points shared and take actionable steps towards enhancing your mental acuity and performance. Peak brain performance plays a pivotal role in achieving success in various aspects of life, from sports and academics to career and personal growth. By optimizing your mental game, you can unlock your full potential and thrive in today's competitive world. Throughout this video, we've explored essential strategies and techniques for improving mental game performance, including enhancing focus, resilience, decision-making skills, and incorporating mindfulness practices into your daily routine. These tips can help you sharpen your cognitive abilities, maintain mental clarity, and navigate challenges with confidence and ease. I encourage you to take the next step in your mental game journey by implementing these strategies into your daily life and making mental game enhancement a priority. Remember, consistency and dedication are key to seeing tangible results and reaching your goals. If you found this video helpful and informative, please consider subscribing to our channel, liking this video, and sharing it with others to spread awareness about the importance of mental game optimization. Together, we can empower individuals to unlock their full potential and thrive in all areas of life. Thank you for watching, and here's to a brighter, sharper mind ahead.